Hello dear students, welcome back to mathematics class. Already you know we are discussing your fourth lesson and that is division. I hope you practiced all the previous videos examples. In today's class also we are going to divide the number. See here, dividing a 4-digit number by a 2-digit number. Okay, in previous examples you got here only 1 digit, but here now we are going to divide a 4-digit number by a 2-digit number. So whatever is there no that written, so I will wrote here 4-digit number by a 2-digit number. And I hope you know the 2 to 10 tables. Okay, then here 12 ones a table is there. I know most of the students know 12 to 20 tables, but those who don't know the tables, at least you know 2 to 10 tables. Then I will show you one trick how to write the 12 ones a table. Means not only 12, if you know this trick, then you can write 13 ones a, 14 ones a, 15 ones a, all tables very easily. So how to write this 12 ones a table by using that trick? See here, first you write 12. Okay, I want here 12 ones a table means first of all you have to write here 12. Next you write here 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, next you write here 2, 4, 6, 8 means here I wrote 1, 2, 3. Next you write here 2 ones a table. Okay, next you write here 10, next 12, next 14, next 16, next 18, next you write here 20. Okay, so see here 12 ones a 12, 12 twos a 24, 12 threes a 36, 12 fours a 48. See here, this middle terms you need to add here. Means here this, 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 this and this. Okay, so right here 5 plus 1 is 6 and this 0 as it is. 6 plus 1 is 7 and this 2 as it is. 7 plus 1 is 8 and right here 4. 8 plus 1 is 9 and right here 6. 9 plus 1 is 10 and here you write 8. 10 see here 10 plus 2 is 12 and this 0 as it is. I hope you are getting my point. See here wherever you find the 3 digit, here 5, 1, 0 is there, add this number 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9 plus 1. If you will add that, then here 12 ones a table is ready. See here 12 ones a 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 twos are 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108 and 120. See here, if you are learning tables, okay, those who don't know, if you know this trick, then you can write here not only 12 ones a table, you can write 13, 14, 15, all the tables. Okay, so next here, see, so now here 12 ones a table is ready. Okay, so here what is there? 4, 2, 7, 2 is there. 4, 2, 7, 2 is there. So first I will take here 4. First I will take here 4. Yes, in 12 ones a table 4 is there? No, it is less than 12. For that what we need to take? We have to take this 2 digit or you write here 12 zeros are 0. Okay, 4 minus 0 is 4. Next you take this 2 down. Now how much it is? 42. Then see here in 12 ones a table 42 is there? No. See here 12, 24, 36. 48 is bigger than 42. So up to here you take. So I will take here 36. 24, 12 also small, but nearest small to 42 is 36. So take here 12 3s are how much are? 1, 2, 3. 12 3s are 36. Okay. Next here 2 minus 6 not possible. Take carry. 12 minus 6 is 6 and 4 minus 4 is 0. Again you take here 7 down. See here 67 is there. In 12 on the table 67 is there? No. So which number is there here? 60. See here 48, 36, 24, 12 all are small, but nearest small is 60. Okay. So right here value 5s are 60. 7 minus 0 is 7, 6 minus 6 is 0. Again you take here 2 down. Yes, in 12 on the table 72 is there. Yes, here it is there. How much za? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 12 6 za 72. 2 minus 2 is 0. 7 minus 7 is also 0. Okay. So see here, while solving the examples, you must and should write 12 on the table in one side. Okay. So here you will get a correct answer also, and you will practice here tables also. So while solving, you compulsorily write here tables. Okay. So 12 0 is 0, 12 3 is 36, 42 minus 36 is 6, and take there 7 down. 12 5 is 60, 6 minus 6 is 0, 7 minus 7 is 0. Again you take this 2 down. 7 6 is 12 6 is 72. So here the quotient. Okay. So here this is quotient and this is remainder. In next class now you will learn to verify your answer. Means we have to check whether our answer is correct or wrong. Okay. I will teach you that in the next class. Dear students, for this you need more practice. So please keep practicing the examples. I hope you understood this. Next you take one more example from your exercise. So I will take here. Now here I will take 5184. 5. I will write here 5184 divided by 18. So it means dividing a 4-digit number by a 2-digit number. Okay. So take here. I will take 5184 divided by 18. Okay. So write here 18 ones are table. If you don't know, then you can use that trick. First you write here 1 2 3. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So write here 8 ones are table. Yes, here I wrote 8 ones are table. So here 18 ones are 18. Okay. Next you add this 2 plus 1 is 3. So 36. 3 plus 2 is 5. Here you write 4. 4 plus 3 is 7 and write here 2. 5 plus 4 is 9 and write here 0. 6 plus 4 is 10 and write here 8 as it is. 7 plus 5. Yes, how much? 12 and here you write 6. 8 plus 6. 4 14 and this you 4 write as it is. 7 plus 9 plus 7 is 16 and write here 2 as it is. 10 plus 8 18 and this 0 you write as it is. I hope you are getting my point. Add this middle terms. Okay. 3 plus 2 5, 4 plus 3 7, 5 plus 4 9, 6 plus yes, here how much it is? 4 is there. Okay, 6 plus 4 is 10, 7 plus 5 is 12, 8 plus 6 is 14, 9 plus 7 is 16, 10 plus 8 is 18 and the remaining digits you keep as it is. Okay, if you know tables it's good, best. If you don't know tables then you follow this method. Okay, so here to use this trick now at least you know 2 to 10 tables. So let us solve this example. Here 5 1 8 4 is there. So here 5 is there and here 18 is there. So it is smaller. Give here 18 zeros are 0 and 5 minus 0 is 5. Next you take here 1 down. Now how much it is? 51. So here 54 is there. I will take here 36. Okay. So 18 how much is 36? 18 2s are 36. Okay. 11 minus 6 is 5 and 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Next you take here 8 down. Now how much it is? 158. How much it is? 158. So let's just check. Less than 150 here. Last 144 is there. 162 is there. Okay, so I will take here 144. How much za? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 za. Yes, 18 8 za 144. 4. Okay, 8 minus 4 is 4, 5 minus 4 is 1, and 1 minus 1 is 0. Next you take this 4 down. Yes, in 18 ones the table 144 is there. Yes, how much za? 8 za. So right here 18 8 za 144. 4 minus 4 is 0, 4 minus 4 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0. So 2 8 8. Okay, so this type you need to solve the example. See here dear students, my practice time 1, first main divide the following is there. So in next question you have divide and find the quotient and remainder, also verify your answer. That I will solve in the next class. Okay, I hope you know this and you understood this trick how to write the tables. Okay, so please keep practicing this kind of examples. See here dear students, not only you can write 18 ones the table, you can write 56 46 tables also by using this trick. Okay, before solving the examples, whichever examples I solved now, that you practice in home, then you go through your practice time examples. I hope today's class is clear to you. Thank you.